This is the Kershaw Launch 10, model 7350. The Launch 10 is been kind of called the Claw. This is for the aggressive Hawkeye style blade. It's got angular planes on both the blade spine and the handle. As you can see, look at that, just slowly curves. So this is just perfect for fitting in the palm of your hand. They brag that it's great for breaking down boxes, pulling rope, cording. Now, the Launch, has started with Launch 1. This is Launch 10, and Kershaw is just continuing with their automatic line here, since it is just such a great knife. All of them are made in the USA. Now, this Hawk Bill style is made with the CPM 154 grade steel. It's a powdered metallurgic blade steel, which takes and holds excellent edge. Also provides corrosion resistance, wear resistance, and toughness. Lightweight, only 1.8 ounces. The handle is 3.2 inches. The handle is made of 6061 T6 aluminum, and it is gray anodized. The handle thickness is 0.47. Again, with all automatic knives, with one push of the button here, you'll see the quickness. Woo! All right. This blade, again, made with the CPM 154 steel. Its length is 1.9 inches. Its thickness is 0.121. And this is a stonewash finished on the front and the back. Silver pocket clip, lanyard hole. Okay, I think that about says it. The Launch 10 is perfect. Handle here, and it can be changed from a left to a right, as you can see the holes there for the pocket clip. Okay, I hope you'll enjoy the Launch 10 model 7350.